Icy and cold out here today, working on the great horned owl. Today, I'm going to just begin to shape. Use the chainsaw to scrape off little pieces of what is not owl, and then I'll switch to the angle grinder, put in some more detail. We'll see how far I get. Then the next step after that would be the Dremel to put in some of the fine touches. Oh, Booty got my helmet on. Isn't that cool? Here, we'll keep it out of his eyes. That way he won't get all messed up. I'm going to switch up to the angle grinder now. Got a pretty decent shape on him. Let me unlock him and spin him around. You can see a little better. He might be a little too fat. I don't know. We'll see. But then this way for sure looks like I got too much bird right here, but I don't want to do that with the chainsaw until I get a better feel for the face. So next step for me, the way I do it is to get the angle grinder, and then I'm going to detail in the face. Get in the pancake eyes, get the big beak in where it should be, well, the brow, and then really make these ears into horns. And once I get that part done, then everything else feels better to me to move on down the sculpture once the face is in place. So thanks for joining me on the journey. If you are getting value from this, please like it, subscribe. Thanks for coming along at Made in Papa's Wood Shop.